Alright, I don't know why it keeps turning off. I guess because of the delays, but here we are. We have my Bluetooth connection here. 3.5 millimeters auxiliary jack. I don't care what the back looks like. I'm going to clean it up later. So I want to make sure the inside works before I worry about that. What I'll do is later I'll probably drill a hole somewhere back here and then I'll plug it in. You know, make it fancy. I got one coupler. I have one auxiliary wire that's soldered on the inside of this unit. You see here? Right there on my circuit board. Now, I have the tablet. Completely wireless hookup. Let's see. This is my dad's tablet. He's a kind of dirty old man. Or dirty old man, I guess you can say. The J205 is connected for audio, correct? Okay, so let's go back here and press play. We have volume control here also. We now have a wireless old Bose iPod docking station. It works. Alrighty. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see here, I'm controlling from the tablet on our wireless device, but also I believe I can still play the iPod itself. I'm walking Alright, works normal, off, on, play. We have a completely wireless Bose docking station.